Here's a nice looking Ford Thunderbird, 1963 model year, and this would be a Ford Thunderbird Landau. As you can tell by the top, you would also be able to tell by the code on the data tag that would be on the door that this is a true Landau. As far as color wise, X color code, which is going to be Heritage Burgundy, which would be basically, this would be an original color. To me, the paint is a better quality that you would have had back in '63, and it's almost got a little bit of a metallic in it, so I think you could say original color, but actually probably a better paint and better paint job than you would have got back in 1973. Underneath the hood, 390 4-barrel V8 Z code, so that is also the correct engine that would have came in this, of course, with the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bright work on this car up front, the headlight bezels, the grille, hood ornament. This car looks as good in person as it does the pictures, no doubt about that. Now, speaking of pictures, you can check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, every which way in this car. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Tell you what, we also have an open door policy. If you'd like somebody to come take a look at this car, third-party inspector for you, can't make it yourself, hey, feel free to have them come in and look at this one. I think you're going to find the same thing that you see in the pictures and that I'm kind of going through on the car with you. Riding on Diamondback wide white walls, Krager wire wheels. There's a mouthful. Take a look up and down the side of this car. You can see how straight it is. This car has a DSO of Los Angeles, California, original California car, and it shows before it was restored. Stated the previous owner that this car, rusty, solid car, and it's really free of much imperfections in the paint also. Vinyl top, also in nice shape, as you can see. Take a look back down the passenger side. Again, nice straight car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nicely equipped car also, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. We're going to take a look at that engine compartment towards the end of this video here before we wrap it up and show you how neat and tidy it is there too. But take a look at the chrome around the rear of this car. Kind of has almost that jet engine looking taillight, and the wings with the chrome bright work, I should say, that follows all the way down alongside the car and actually is incorporated into the door handle. Just a cool look on these bullet noses. Uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there, give you a walk up and down this driver's side also, from the front of this bullet nose to the rear, and just take a look at the quality of the paint, how it's laid on there, and again how straight the body is, and that reflection. Again, how about all the way to the front door? There you go. This one won't disappoint. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. There is a folder or a seats on this car that will go with it also. You can sure consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So, power window car also. I have had the wipers working. I did not get the radio. It will power up, but I've not got reception on a station. Let's put it that way. Take a look at the door panels. Just a very original looking car. Let's put it that way. Bucket seats up front with a center console. Check out the rear seats. Again, those look like about new. All the interior, very, very good shape. Headliner, nice shape. It is a black original interior colored car also. FYI, it'll be 56 on the trim code on the door tag, and again, you can see that door tag in the still pictures. Check it out for yourself. Of course, the key is down the left one on these. Bullet nose. That's how easily it starts, folks. Very, very nice. couple little cracks in the dash, one there and one on the other side. Of course, the AC controls here. AC does blow cold. Power windows, obviously they work. They're all down. We'll go back up. Did have the wipers working also. You want to see that quick? I run them once. There you go. Boy, listen to that 390 per. Wow. How nice that door closes. All right. Listen to that. Sounds good. Nice little throaty rumble coming out of that T-Bird. Look at that. It's just very stylish beauty from 1963. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. We want to check out that engine bay too, so you take a look at that. Look at the reflection off that hood also. Wow. All right, hold on, I'll get this hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
What you'd expect under here. AC has been converted too from the R12. There's that 390 4 barrel, and I believe it was an Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. Looks like we got a little updated ignition. Very nice, tidy engine bay. What you'd expect to go along with the rest of this car. And again, you can see how nicely the paint looks on the interior. Did have the VIN stamping up here also. You have the door tag. It's all here. 1963 Ford Thunderbird Landau 390. Nicely equipped. That automatic transmission, power steering, brakes, AC, power windows, riding on those Krager wire wheels and diamond back radials. Wide whites. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.